Next, we want to set up this machine for the correct wire and gas combination to set up the programs in programs 1 through 8, depending on what they're going to use. How we do that is we're going to go to Setup, and under Setup, you can see right at the top of the screen there, Load New Process. So I'm going to scroll up and select Load New Process, and then basically this screen walks you through starting with first what filler metal is being used. So the first step is, if we're going to use an 035 steel wire, we're first going to select steel. And then next it gives us our tensile strength classifications of the wire. So you can see ER70, ER80. For this robot, we're using ER70 wire. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then next I'm going to choose my diameter of the filler metal. I can scroll down because we're going to use 035. I'll select that. And then from here, it walks you through what gas combination we're going to use. Today we're using 90-10 gas, so we're going to scroll down to 90-10, and I'll select that. And as you can see on the screen here, as we make these selections, these blanks are starting to fill in. So you can see now it's steel, ER70. The nice thing is if you mess up and this wasn't 90-10 gas, you could go back a step, and we could change it to a different gas combination like 95-5 or something other than 90-10. But again, because it's 90-10, we'll scroll down and select 90-10. And then from here, the machine automatically takes all the information we just told it, and it gives you the available processes for that wire and gas combination. So you can see we could choose pulse, CV, profile pulse, RMD, whatever is needed for the application. We're going to use pulse for this example because it's right here at the top. I'll select that and hit pulse. We'll let the machine load what we just put into program 1. So now program 1 is selected. We can see it's AccuPulse, 035 steel, 90-10 gas combination. So what we just told the machine, it outputs on the display. If we would need to set up programs 2 through 8, you could just select another program, go back into Setup, and start the process over again. So again, select Load New Process, steel, ER70. We'll set this to 045 wire. We'll choose 90-10 gas again. And then if we wanted to choose a CV program, we could scroll down to CV or MIG, select that. Now we can see that what we just put in, now we have a MIG program in program 4, a pulse program in program 1.